This video and this information could change your life. Just sit back, relax, and treat this video like a podcast and just pay attention. Hear me out for just a few minutes. Enjoy. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about just the market overall and what we can expect. And pretty much, guys, what we're waiting for is April to finish, okay? Look, the way this stuff works, okay, it pretty much has to retest on every single time frame. So although on the weekly, right, we had a break, and some people could have counted this as a retest, you know, some people could have counted this as a retest. You have to remember that pretty much there needs to be higher time frame confirmation, which pretty much goes up to the monthly. Yeah, there's a 3-month, there's a 6-month, there's the yearly, of course, but pretty much right now we are just simply waiting for April to finish. And once pretty much April finishes, we should be good, and May should be a nice green month. Because look, right, this makes sense. So we had this push in December. January went down, right? We had a retest. February we broke out, and then March we kept pushing up. April we pretty much retraced all the way back down here to the support and resistance. So we're retesting it. And what's very important about candles is where they close. So even if, let's say, we close exactly here, right, and it looks something like this, right, that's really good because the candle closed above the resistance and the support, right, above this blue box support. And pretty much from the eye test, you can tell that had a rejection with the wick. So if it closes something like this and it has a wick, pretty much rejected. Maybe the first few days or the first week of May, we might see a little bit of some type of like candle that still wicks a little bit down here, but pretty much we should start seeing, you know, us going up and looking to break this area here. It's just natural and common for it to happen. Look down here, even on the monthly, you can tell, right? We pretty much went into this candle here on the monthly. We closed over here, right? We closed over here. And the next few months, we started to go up and up and up and up. And then we started to break through. So for me, no panic at all. I know a lot of people are panicking, okay? A lot of people are stressing. My friend is stressing. But guys, this is just part of the cycle. And things need to retest on pretty much higher time frames. And by the way, this is pretty much the total market cap, not including the top 10 coins. So yeah, I mean, like, and that's pretty much the one that's relevant for most of us, right? Because most of us are going to be invested in coins that are outside of the top 10 market cap because we're trying to make the most. But if we go to Bitcoin, for example, Bitcoin did the same exact thing. Look, on the yearly, right? It had a yearly retest, okay? It went down one full year. Boom, the next year it bounced up, and now we're breaking through in 2024. In 2025 we're probably gonna be pushing, and then that's where we're going to be pretty much selling off, okay? But look, let's go on the monthly, right? We pretty much broke this area, okay? We broke it, right? We're pushing, we broke it. Now April pretty much retesting, and for me, if we pretty much stay above this area, do not go below that, like the 61,000 area, like I've been saying for the last couple of weeks. May should be green and beautiful, okay? There may be, like I said, maybe the first week, there may be a little pullback, like a last second wick to take people out, to scare people. But other than that, it should be a beautiful, beautiful, pretty much, you know, green time. Maybe something like this, quick recovery, pushing up, going like this, looking to pretty much break these. Pretty much once we break this, we are going to be flying for the next few months. And you're going to see this, okay? You're going to see something like this pretty much, right, in the future. So right now we're looking to pretty much break above this. We're looking to retest it. And then pretty much we are looking to do, you know, stay above this. Once we go above this, we're pretty much going to go like this, right? Then we're going to have maybe a little bit like this. Then we're going to have a big month of a pullback, right? Then we're going to have something like this, maybe like this, like this, like this. And eventually, you know, Bitcoin's going to choose this price where it's kind of going to start going sideways, right? Breakout structure, downside. Pretty much. So no need to worry. Do not worry. Everything is all good. Okay? The only alarm is if we really start trading below 61,000 and we start closing there on the daily. That's when there's going to be a red flag. Other than that, we are chilling.